Welcome to part 3 of the RC Wave programming video. In this section, I'll talk through the Wave's advanced features. I'll show you how to set the keypad lock, how to set a temperature offset, and how to use the energy consumption meter. There are 2 versions of the RC Wave. This guide is for the newer model, which has a snowflake icon on the control panel. If your heater has a shutdown icon, it's the older version, so you'll need to check the link opposite to find out how to program it. Here's how to adjust some of the advanced functions of the RC Wave. Press the plus and minus buttons together to activate the keypad lock. The keypad will not respond until the lock is removed. Remove the lock by pressing the plus and minus buttons again. If you think the radiator is reading the temperature too high or too low, you can manually adjust its base temperature. This is useful if the radiator is mounted in a particularly hot or particularly cold part of the room. Press Snowflake to go to frost mode. Hold the door button down for 3 seconds. Use the plus and minus keys to adjust the offset. If the radiator is measuring the temperature too low, increase the offset. If the radiator is reading too high, decrease the offset. Press door to confirm. If the radiator is not sensing the temperature you expect, it's always worth checking to see if an offset has been set. The RC Wave has the facility to monitor its energy usage. To set this up, you first need to enter the heater's wattage. Press Snowflake to go to frost mode. Hold the minus button down for 3 seconds. Use the plus and minus buttons to set the wattage. Press door to confirm. To view consumption, return to frost mode and hold down the plus button. The radiator will show you the accumulated kilowatt hours for which it has been in use. In this case, none. You can restart the meter at any time by pressing the plus button for 2 seconds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any more questions about using your RC Wave, give us a call using the number below. Our friendly advisors are always happy to help.